Ciao singer and welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, subscribe and train your voice with me safely. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using a famous and very helpful SOVT exercise. The term SOVT stands for semi-occluded vocal tract. SOVT exercises are a group of vocal exercises where something partially closes the space at the mouth. Because the mouth is partially closed, some of the excited energy leaving the mouth while we sing gets reflected back down to the vocal folds, so you should feel less tension during phonation and a better resonance of your voice. For this exercise, we will use the chromatic scale. Chromatic scale from C sounds like this. Chromatic scale includes all 12 tones in sequential order. For example, in C chromatic scale, we find C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp and B. This scale is a series of 12 half steps or 12 semitones. If we look at the keyboard of the piano, we notice that the semitone is the smallest distance between two sounds, for example, from C to C sharp. This is another example with the D chromatic scale. The scale is composed by D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp and D. Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. Pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise we will use an M, like the sound of a cow, to stretch our vocal folds in the entire range with the minimum vocal effort. During this exercise, imagine that you have an egg in your mouth, okay? And keep that space from the start to the end of this exercise without breaking that egg. Without breaking that space. Be careful not to push too much air. The right volume is a piano, especially in the highest note and the lowest note of this exercise. In this exercise, we will sing notes from A2 to E4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, especially if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry, you can skip them and click on my video for beginners. Down below you find a keyboard so you can see in real time the chromatic scale that you're singing. For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora seguime en el próximo ejercicio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfecto, genial.
Okay, now we can continue our training together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!